The Little Ant and the Big Leaf. Today, we'll meet Andy, who shows his friends that even small creatures can do big things, especially when they work together. Once upon a time, in a lush green forest, lived a tiny ant named Andy. Andy was very small but always worked hard and loved helping his friends. One sunny day, Andy saw a huge leaf blocking the entrance to his ant nest. "Oh no! How will we get inside?" worried Andy. His friends, the other ants, also gathered around, looking nervous. They were too small to move such a big leaf. Andy thought for a moment and said, "Let's work together. If we all push the leaf together, maybe we can move it." So, all the ants gathered together and started pushing. They pushed and pushed, but the leaf barely moved. Some ants wanted to give up, saying, "This is too hard." But Andy encouraged them, "Don't give up. We're stronger together. Let's try one more time." Finally, with one big push, the leaf began to move. Slowly, it slid away from the entrance, and all the ants cheered. They learned that day that by working together, they could do anything, even something that seemed impossible. Wow! Wasn't that an inspiring story? Andy and his friends taught us that no matter how small we are, we can solve big problems if we work together and never give up. Remember, even when things seem tough, teamwork and a positive spirit can make anything possible. So next time you face a challenge, think of Andy and his friends and believe in the power of working together. Thank you. See you in the next story.